since we're all drinking our way through COVID, I came up with this really delicious Rowdy energy cocktail featuring our Orange Rowdy. So you're gonna start with this. Eyeball it, probably half a can. So you're gonna pour that in. Then you're gonna do 1 to 2 shots of vodka. Then you're gonna do like half a shot, just a splash of orange liqueur. Okay, we don't use this one very much. Just a splash of that. Then you're going to add some 7-Up. 7-Up, fresh orange, squeeze that in there. Give it a shake. Because we're all tired of drinking the same thing by now. There you go. And don't forget that Rowdy is also packed with electrolytes, so you are hydrating while you're drinking. Swipe up for this delicious Rowdy energy cocktail recipe.